Hello and welcome back. So we have initialized the data structure and all the node information like validator keys, the node ID and the boot node multi-address strings. We are good to go for creating Genesis file and running all the nodes. So to create the Genesis file, this command is used. The IBFT validator's prefix path sets the prefix folder path to the one specified which IBFT in Polygon Edge can use. This directory is used to find the consensus folder where the validator's private key is kept. The validator's public key is needed in order to build the Genesis file. Now you will replace the 01 multi-address and 02 multi-address with the multi-address we have already created. Now before running this command, let me remind you that we have also discussed pre-mining the balances in some addresses, right? So we can mine some amount in custom account with pre-mine flag. So let's pre-mine some balance here. So this amount is in V and not in Ether. Replace the address with your custom address and you will find 100 tokens in your account. You can get any address by copying the public key of the account from MetaMask wallet, since we will be connecting our network with MetaMask later on. So my command now looks like this. Once you run this command successfully, it will generate the Genesis file. Now that we have generated the Genesis file successfully, we can run the nodes. Since we are running all the nodes on a single machine, we have already discussed on which port we will run the nodes. So to run the nodes, we will use this command. The seal flag means that the node which is being started is going to participate in the block sealing. The chain flag specifies which Genesis file should be used for chain configuration. Similarly, to run all other three nodes, the commands will be like for node 2, then for node 3, and then for node 4. Now let's task these node servers on local machine in a terminal. Mind that you will have to keep the node running in order to set up the network. So for each node, we will create a new instance in the terminal and leave the node servers running in the background. You can see once we run the first node and keep it running while connecting to the second node, in the first instance of the terminal, it will output the peer connected message. That means that we are on the right path to set up the peer-to-peer network on our local system. This will keep printing on existing nodes while connecting the new ones. Congratulations, you have set up the custom blockchain with peer-to-peer decentralized network on your computer. There is more to this like setting block gas limit or epoch and many other things. We will cover that in the later part of this course. Now in the next lesson, let's try to connect the MetaMask wallet to our network and see if we got the 100 tokens in a wallet address which we have mentioned in the pre-mine flag. See you in the next lesson.